So we have derived all the cost component for the total cost. So let's summarize them. So the total cost per item contains the holding cost, and then the transportation cost. The holding cost contains the rent cost, and then the inventory waiting cost. And then the transportation cost contains the fixed cost and the variable cost. So we have derived that total holding cost is per item is C R C I, the rent cost and the inventory waiting cost together times the headway, and then plus pipeline inventory cost. And then the total transportation cost equals stopping cost, mileage cost, by the load, and plus the variable cost. So if we sum these two together, then we can have our total cost. So for notation convenience, sometimes we define this as holding cost. And then we define this fixed cost. Okay, so we can have our formula. The total cost will be stationary inventory cost, pipeline inventory cost, fixed cost, and then variable cost. So this is our total cost. So note that headway is our decision variable. So sometimes we call this type of functions the curve for this type of function typically a 90 curve. So our function for the total cost, we have similar structure. We have the function of h equals to some constant terms. So we call this type of structure EOQ, or economic order quantity. We will discuss more properties in next lecture.